First, with the help of an assistant, cut the banding and remove the cover. Next, cut the protective plastic and remove. Using a 13mm and 17mm socket, remove the shipping bolt securing the Beewrap Plus to the skid as shown. With a forklift, lift the Beewrap Plus off the pallet using the fork pockets in position on the floor. Install the top motor cover by first removing the 4 Phillips head screws located on the front and back of the mast. Next, place the cover in position by aligning the mounting holes and then secure with the 4 screws. If your unit includes a stack light, it can easily be installed at this time. Note that the units configured with the stop-start safety scanner do not come with a stack light. Remove the protective bubble wrap from the handle. Using a 17mm socket, remove the top 2 bolts on the mast as shown. Then loosen the bolt securing the shipping bracket, but do not remove the bolt. The bolt securing the other end of the shipping can be fully removed along with the bracket itself. Please note that if the Beewrap Plus will be shipped to a different location in the future, the brackets and packing materials should be retained so they can be reused. With assistance, carefully stand the mast up while guiding the wires so they do not become pinched. Replace and tighten the 6 17mm bolts to secure the mast in its final vertical position. Remove front shipping bracket with the 17mm socket. Unwrap the guide wheel assembly and then remove the 4 13mm bolts on the guide wheel mount. Slide the guide wheel assembly fully onto the mount and secure with the 4 bolts previously removed. Set guide wheel tension spring at the desired location. With the key provided in the hardware packet, turn on Beewrap Plus. Next, push the blue reset button followed by the start button. Finally, press the home button to move the carriage into its ready position. Install the film onto the dispenser with the directional arrows on the core pointing up. Open the carriage door and thread the film through the rollers as shown on the diagram. Close the door and then push the blue reset button on the control panel. Using the control buttons on the handle, move the Beewrap Plus into position and then adjust the guide wheel to ride along the pallet edge or the load itself if it extends beyond the pallet. Pull enough slack through the carriage so the film can be tied to the pallet. Refer to the Quick Start guide to set up the wrapping parameters using the control panel according to your load. Push start and watch the Beewrap Plus go to work. We strongly encourage you to carefully review the manual for additional information.